moving day for the pigs. Going to the new home, bigger pen. Gonna move them out of the barn here. Got them all loaded up already, so we're gonna take them down to a bigger pen, finish feeding them up, ready for butcher this summer, this fall. So I'll see you down the trail. No. Oh, they're out. They're out. They found themselves a new home with a nice big fence, lots of straw. Hey guys, gotta find some. Yeah, we got a big girl locked up here for now. I'll let her out so they can play a little and see who's gonna be boss. Hey, oh, he found a wet spot. He wants to lay down already, get out of the sunshine and try and get some mud on him. Yeah, not babies anymore. Catch you later. Oh, pigs are all happy. Pigs. Oh, there's Big Mama. She's been making friends, and now she's trying to lay down in the water trough. You can't lay in there. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. How are you, Coco? Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, we put a saddle on you and go for a ride? One day, but the kids all have to have a pony. So, got a couple little girls in this family, so ciao for now. Probably can't hear me, but somehow I got tucked into working up a garden. New day, another project. Kids come and helped me, so we're got all the other pigs moved down here, and just got a boar to move down here. He's got to have a good sturdy fence, so straight. Oh yeah. Oh, it should turn it over. It's got a, yeah. You'll put the first two in, and then board stretcher, board straightener. Back to the other one. That's where the bend is, right there. Is it?
Up, yeah. Up, right, down, right there.
Okay. Yeah, wait till the board will probably straighten out.
Down, right there.
Should be right there.
Up a little bit. No. There.
So just nail it where it's at. It's all good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's just we got the sows down here. The boar's still at my place. So get a good pen made for him here. Hoping to get away on a fishing trip. I've got to get him moved down here so he can be fed. So we're gonna make a good sturdy pen. Straighten the boards as we go. Some of them are not too bad.
They're not too bad, no.
This one's actually a really nice one, eh?
Yeah.
Nice 2x4.
Well, it's going to be used for a pig pen.
Yeah, a little bit of a bowl, but yeah, if it had lots, we just stack them, eh?
Yeah.
One on top of the other. But I did just like the barn, eh? I mean, it's solid because I put
Up, down, yeah.
Put the planks right together like that. Solid. You can't get their feet hooked anywhere really they can try, but you have to be able to jump to get their front legs over and
Irritated a little bit. Right there.
You gotta just make long rows with but you swing it for you start to get tired.
Huh?
You want a smaller one for now?
Yeah.
It's not so hard on you. Got straight boards, you can kind of measure what, I mean, when you got crooked boards, you gotta have to just kind of bend them as you go and
we were gonna use, where's that buggered up one? This one. For the top, because after this we're putting that 2x6, remember?
Yeah.
Lip?
Or no?
Or should we use this one as a short pieces cutting off?
This one here we might have to use the shorter pieces because there's like 2 feet at this end. It's not very good.
Okay, then we'll just...
Yeah, let's... This one's pretty straight.
Yep. Up. Up.
Just a pig pen.
Well, this side's going against the road, so well, they look nice.
Gotta make it look good.
Gotta make it look like we know what we're doing.
about 40 different ways to build a pig fence.
Oh, there is,
This
yeah.
is the way we're doing it. Yeah,
Good there. Take that off. Fucking
left,
left pretty good. Right.
2x6s.
That's a 16. Oh yeah. That'll be in the house then.
Yeah,
That'll be all enclosed anyway.
yeah. It won't look too bad from the outside.
Oh.
Yeah, so just do a fist under it.
Yep,
like
that'll
that.
work perfect, I think. Better?
Should be good, eh?
I think so.
I mean, if you want it to go right to the top, kind of flush, and then well, you're going to kind of have a rafter thing for the plywood that's going to slope in.
Well, it's going to be sloping that way.
Yeah, but it can be tapered just high over there and just flat here more or less, as long as it's sloped a tiny bit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, well, we can bring it.
that's what I'm just thinking. See, we're going a little more.
Or a nail width.
I know you want. Will you notice it from the road?
No, I don't think.
You're just a little higher over there.
Nail width.
Well, yeah, it's pretty much the width of your fist.
Just pretty much.
Pretty much. I would. You see these posts here? I would just boost it about 1 more inch, Travis.
Okay.
Eh? I just boost it up about 1 more inch. We can trim these posts off too.
Ow,
like,
where?
so it's flush right on the other side. Then when you're, like I put the board on top or something like that. Rafters. We move a little here.